Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic again. Today I give review on NAY Bay matte lipstick. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any videos and never miss it. So without further delay, let's get started. So I bought this NAY Bay matte lipstick for purple.com recently, and this lipstick is newly launched and it's exclusively available in purple.com only, and I bought these two shades in this range. The first one is from Across Manhattan Bridge 28 and the second one is from Upper East Side 1. The first lipstick is a maroonish type of color and the second one is a pretty pink color. So this lipstick come in black glossy plastic bullet form, and from this transparent plastic you can see your lipstick and identify without opening it. It has a silver color in inner package and the packaging is secure. It is not clumsy and it is travel friendly and you can carry easily in your bag. The quantity of this product is 4.2 gram. No ingredients is mentioned in this lipstick, but the shelf life is mentioned in the outer packaging of this lipstick, which is used before 2020. It means you have 2 years of shelf life, and no ingredient is mentioned here, so this is the only con of this lipstick. The formula of this lipstick are same like any expensive lipstick from Lakme, Color Bar, Maybelline, L'Oreal, etc. Of rupees 400 to 600. So the pigmentation is very nice. This one is pinkish one lipstick and this one is maroonish type of lipstick. It gives nice color in one swatch and it glides easily like a butter. The fragrance of this lipstick is mild powdery kind of smell which will not bother you. In other words, you can say that it has no smell. So it stay in your lips around 4 to 5 hours, but if you will eat oily food, it fade away from inner part of your lips um, and you have to apply it again. It is not fully matte lipstick, but it is a creamy velvety type of matte lipstick, but you can make it more matte by dabbing tissue paper and apply loose powder over your lips and set it. It is not transfer proof, it transfer a bit, and they have so many different shades, and I think they have 30 shades, and you can choose your favorite shades from this range easily. So overall it is a nice matte lipstick at rupees 25 and it is super affordable matte lipstick. It can beat any high brand lipstick in its pigmentation and formula. It is awesome lipstick and I will highly recommend this lipstick to everyone. Please try this once and I will give 4 out of 5 to this product. So these are the swatches of this lipstick. This one is from Across Manhattan Bridge 28 shade, and this one is from Upper East Side 1 pink lipstick. This one is pink lipstick and this one is maroon lipstick, and the price of this lipstick is rupees 125 and it is super affordable matte lipstick. So hope you like my review on NY Bay matte lipstick, and if you like it, Please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any doubt and question regarding this product, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. And thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.